I think our season was probably the best season we've ever had here. Our team has been so close, and I think the win over Clarion has showed that. Like, we came together so well.
I expected, with a lot of the freshmen that came in, I expected the season to go well, but I didn't expect an undefeated season. So that was a shocker, but it was good for us.
Thought we had a really good chance to to go undefeated, and when we did that, we achieved that goal. But I think more importantly, we came together as a team that we had a number of people really step up and have done a great job for us. Katie Kelly and Maria Tarbell have done a great job, but then we have a lot of people that lead by example. Julie Moretti has done a great job with her training. We've had a lot of people. Julia Lockmeyer has stepped up really well. Sarah Weeks. Again, it's really the entire senior class has taken on the leadership roles for us.
There's a lot of people that I expect to do well. Lex always does very well. She's seated first and second, I think, in most of her events. Gozda, she's a freshman, also seated very high. Holly, Julie, Katie, there's a lot of girls that are seated really high going into PSAC, so it should be fun.
A couple of our freshmen, with Gozda and Holly, some of the returning swimmers, Stacy, Alexis, Maria, Julie. I think our relays are seated very well, and that's probably the most exciting aspect of it. Is I think that we can, I guess you could say, make some noise in that instance. We have a large senior class. So this is nothing new to them. They've gone through this, they've gone through the training, they know my style of coaching, they know what to expect, and then they've really helped with the younger swimmers on the team.
I feel like a lot of the freshmen don't know what it's going to be like, so I feel like it's really exciting there. Everybody's morale is really up and it's loud, and so I feel like that will help. It'll make them nervous, but I feel like as seniors, we can calm them down because we know that it's a fun meet. It's tough, but it's fun.
Westchester is the top team in our conference, but then really it's going to come down to about 3 or 4 other teams vying for that second place. IUP, they have a very strong program. Chris, their coach, has done a great job there. Bloomsburg has a very good program. Clarion, they've been in the top 2 in the conference. I think when the conference started. You can't rule out Gannon or Shippensburg. I mean, everybody has individuals within their programs that are gonna really shake some things up. In terms of the team standing. Ultimately, what we try to do is motivate everybody to reach their potential. Watching everybody come in and day out, in the morning, in the weight room, on dry land, in the pool, really want to see the benefits of that pay off for everybody. I think that, looking at the team aspect, we have a goal as a team, what we want to accomplish. As individuals, that's something that I talk with individually with each swimmer, and then I have individual goals for them. So it's a matter of just keeping them motivated to reach their potential. And if we do that, if we're successful as individuals, we're going to be extremely successful as a team.
I think we could bring home a lot of hardware, to be honest.